Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Okay, this is our third module for state of matter course. Okay, in this module, we will talk about gases. Okay, for gases, okay, first we go to the introduction of gases topic. Okay, for gases, okay, we have to know, gas is one of the fundamental states of matter. And in this world, we are surrounded by a blanket of air. Why am I saying we are surrounded by a blanket of air? It is because the Earth's atmosphere are made up by the mixture of gases. In the atmosphere, oxygen and nitrogen account for more than 99% by volume of dry air. Argon, carbon dioxide, and many other gases are also present in much lower amounts, and each makes up less than 1% of the atmosphere mixture of gases. Okay, you can see nitrogen and oxygens, it is about 99%, and the rest of 1% is include argon, carbon dioxide, and many other gases. Okay, what do you know about gases? Gas is the state of matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Try to imagine the gas around yourself. Most of them are transparent and we cannot see them, right? And gases have lower density than other states of matter. You can see here, gases consist of particles, either molecules or atoms that are in constant random motion. And in gas, there is a great deal of empty space between particles which have a lot of kinetics energy. And gas particles are constantly colliding with each other and the walls of their container. These collisions are elastic and there is no net loss of energy from the collisions. For introduction, we have do an opening thoughts. Have you ever had a can of carbonated soft drink spray all over you? Why this happen? You have to think about it. Cans of carbonated soft drink contain carbon dioxide under pressure. So, the gas dissolves in the liquid drinks. Once the can is open, all of the gas will eventually escape from the liquid as a bubbles. And the soda will go flat. If the liquid is handled gently, it takes a long time for the dissolve gas to escape. Okay, but if the can is shaken, okay, you imagine you shake the can, okay, or the liquid is poured quickly into a glass, the bubbles, okay, will form the turbulence, okay, and it will provide an easier way for the dissolved gas to escape. That's why sometimes when you, okay, when you shake the can of soda or carbonated soft drink, okay, it will, after you open it, it will spray all over you. Okay. Okay. Another thing is, have you ever ate or baked fluffy cupcakes? Of course. Right? Okay. What happened? Okay. This is all of this. Okay. We have the chemistry reactions behind of all this method. Okay. That's why we learn about it. Okay. Okay. When we bake the cupcakes, we add the baking powder to the flour, right? When water is added to the flour, okay, and it will make dough, right? And baking powder will undergoes a chemical reactions and carbon dioxide gas is produced. This carbon dioxide gas gets trapped into the dough and bubbles out, which causes the cake to rise and making it fluffy cupcakes. Okay? Okay, it is whether a cake or cupcakes. Okay, all of them, we add the baking powder into the flour, right? Okay, that's why the cake will rise and fluffy. Okay? Okay, another things. Have you ever riding a hot balloon? Of course, some of you have riding a hot balloons and some of you already seen hot balloon, right? Okay, so the chemistry behind the hot balloon is when the pressure inside the hot air balloon is affected by temperature, okay, and the molecules will heat up, okay, and they move faster and strike the inside wall of the balloon harder, okay, and this will increase the motion of the gas particles, okay. When it increases the motion of the gas particles, okay, it will increase the force on the area of the balloon, okay, and it will produce a rise in the pressure, okay. That's why, okay, we have to thought, okay, we have to think about all of these things, okay. All surround us, okay, is we can think, okay, with the chemistry way, okay. Okay, all of this, okay, the carbonated soft drink spray all over us, okay, when we shake and open the can, okay, and when we bake the fluffy cupcakes and when we riding a hot balloon, it is all the example of gases at work, okay. Okay, when we talk about gas, okay, we have to know, okay, and discuss about the characteristic of gas, which is pressure, volume, amount in the moles, okay, and the temperature, okay. And all of these characteristics will be discussed in the next video, okay. So, See you in the next video. Stay tuned.